Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions. Sign into the same TikTok account on your phone and Capcut. Once done, update both apps to the latest release so features match. Make sure Capcut has access to storage, camera, and microphone. Next, open Capcut and locate the export or share settings. This is where you enable TikTok as a destination or prepare a high-quality file to send. Doing these first avoids wasted steps and keeps the transfer smooth when you export. With your edit complete, choose Export and pick a compatible resolution like 1080p. Higher quality preserves detail on TikTok. After rendering, tap Share and look for a direct TikTok option. If present, select it and follow prompts to authorize Capcut to post on your behalf. If direct sharing is not available, export to gallery and then open TikTok to upload the saved video. Make sure captions, sound, and aspect ratio, 9:16, are correct before publishing so the clip displays as intended. Finally, in TikTok, add your caption, hashtags, and any native sounds or stickers. Confirm aspect ratio and cover frame before posting. If you hit an error, first check your internet connection and that Capcut has TikTok posting permission. Next, clear each app's cache and reauthorize the link if needed. If problems persist, export a high-quality file from Capcut to your gallery and upload it manually in TikTok. That bypasses linkage issues while preserving your edit and finishing the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.